Okay, guys, we're playing Troll is a Painting Tower 5. Okay, we're playing Troll is a Painting Tower 5, and we're gonna slap the people of the map. We're gonna slap the people of the map because they're a troller. No way, no way, no way! Go. Just like that. No way. We're gonna help noobs out, yes. We're gonna help noobs out. But if they will get... No way, bro! No way! Bro, are you serious right now? Okay, get... bro. Get this. Okay, get... It's so lag right now. So lag right now, bro. It's so lag, bro. I will gonna get the people. Okay. Wait.
Sa ilo din ako. Sige. Yung mga lata, hindi mo lang yung sa bote, ha?
No, wait, no, sorry. I'm so sorry.
Boss, ano pala yung singsing niyo?
Hello, Yuri, what are you doing?
It's
so funny, bro. It's so funny. No way. No! What the F? I just need...
Boss na, wala mo kayo sa sabi-sabi.
It's so lag right now. Sorry, guys. Sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Sabi nila, sinasabi ko lang naman.
I will let the noobs out. Bro, Yuri, bro.
Hindi kayo mag-upload.
Bro, thanks.
Sabi ba? Sabi lang nila yun.
Thanks, Yuri, but no thanks, okay? No thanks. Bro. Why did they chat pie? Why did they chat pie? What does pie mean? Fly or pie? No way, Yuri, bro! Are you serious right now?
Ang dami pa dito.
I will not spend money, bro. Bro, Emily, run away. That's what I've done. It's demon, bro. Bro, why, bro? Why, I have nothing to do with you, bro.
Huwag kang magpanik hanapin natin, boys. Tigil mo na yan. Hanapin engagement ring.
No way, bro. I'm not being a troller.
Kasi ikaw yung
I'm so sorry.
sa masamang pangitain na wala tuloy.
They keep messing up the... No. Okay. They keep messing up the... You're slapping, bro. I'm really serious. Achoo!
Kasi kanina, nalagyan yung mga kaya ko.
Bro, Yuri. You're such an idiot, bro. No way. Bro, I'm not an idiot. You're Bro, rip Kaiser! Ah. Bro. No. Bro! Bro, are you serious? Bro, goods. Okay, Yuri, you're not so smart. Okay, see that. Bye.